I am very good in English. If you say like that, it's wrong. Can you say what's a mistake there? You cannot say I am very good in English. You have to say I am very good at English. This is one of the errors. Now let us see some more examples. She is bad in communicating her ideas. It's wrong. Here we cannot use in. So it's wrong. She is bad at communicating her ideas. So this is an adjective, bad. Then another, good. I'm not very good in making decisions. So here we cannot use in. So it's wrong. You have to say, I am not very good at making decisions. Not to this. In at. I am not very good at making decisions. He is good at English. You cannot say he is good in English. He is good at English. Similarly, he was indignant at their unruly behavior. Then the rule is, at is used after adjectives referring to skills, competencies and reactions. So it's a competency, communicating her ideas. So it's an adjective. After the adjective referring to skills, competencies and reactions, we have to use at. So this is a reaction. Rule, their unruly behavior. So this is a rule. Always I make sure my doors are locked. Always is not normally used at the beginning of a declarative or interrogative sentence. So this is a declarative sentence, this is an interrogative sentence. Here we cannot use always at the beginning. So we have to say, I always make sure my doors are locked. This is correct and this is wrong. So this is an interrogative sentence. So here also we cannot use always at the beginning. Always do you finish your homework on time? It's wrong. You have to say, do you always finish your homework on time? It's an interrogative sentence. It's a declarative sentence. In these cases, we should not use always at the beginning. However, if it is an imperative sentence, this is an imperative sentence. So here we can use always at the beginning. Always give way to pedestrians. Always be prepared to slow down and stop if necessary. Since it's an imperative sentence, we can use always at the beginning. Declarative sentence and interrogative sentence, we should not use always at the beginning of the sentence. I gave her 1,000 rupees last month. This sentence is wrong. In British English, here one is needed. I gave her 1,000 rupees last month. It's a common error. John recently published a novel. This sentence is wrong. Let's see the reason. Here the word recently is there. When these words are there, recently, already, yet, when such words are there, we have to use present perfect tense. So here past tense is used. John recently published a novel. So you have to say, John has recently published a novel. So present perfect tense is needed when these words are there.